When this nursing assistant with a habitual violator record got Mouthy over a $200 fine, the judge went nose to nose and showed her how much worse it could get.
Ms. Contreras, how do you plead then to count 1, driving after being declared an habitual violator?
Guilty.
I will accept your plea and find you guilty. Where do you work, Ms. Contreras?
Wichita.
Okay, what kind of work do you do there in Wichita?
CNA.
At this time, I will sentence you to 6 months in the Butler County Jail. I will grant you a 1-year reporting probation, and as long as you're successful on that, you will not have to serve the 6 months. Do not violate any law during this 12 months and get the $558 paid. How much time do you need to pay that, if any?
I have a question. Why do I have to pay $200 for a Zoom meeting?
Why do you have to pay a $200 fine?
Yeah, why do I have to pay a $200 court fine?
Well, I could give you a $2,500 fine.
Don't matter to me. But okay, that's fine.
Fine can be anywhere up to $2,500. Your status is an habitual violator. That means you have been convicted so many times in traffic A and B misdemeanors that you qualify for revocation of license for 3 years.
Okay.
All right. Any more questions about that?
Nope.
Okay.
Oh, I do have one more question. Is it supervised probation or is it unsupervised probation?
Well, the recommendations of the parties was 1 year, but I'm starting to get concerned about your attitude and wondering if you need supervised.
Judge, I would prefer a breakout room with my client if I could.
I'll give you just about a minute, your client.
That's all I need, Judge. Thank you.
Thank you. Ms. Contreras, are you ready to proceed?
Yes, ma'am.
I am willing to work with you on that payment schedule. Can you pay the whole $558 today, or do you need some time to pay?
No, ma'am.
So you'll need to make payments of about $100 a month and have that paid off in 6 months.
I understand.
I know you understand, but your attitude is still an issue that troubles me. You don't want to be back here before me or another judge on an issue to revoke probation. Make sure you comply with the 2 terms I've given you, $100 payments until paid in full.
I have never known a judge to set up a payment plan, but I understand what you're saying.
I'm transferring this to reporting probation. Go to the probation office down the hall and report due on the 21st of each month thereafter.
That's the whole point.
What's the whole point?
All right, never mind.
What's the whole
I'm
point?
talking to the officer.
The officer isn't your legal advisor. The whole point is to keep you out of jail. And if I have much more problem, I'm going to say, forget probation. Let's just take her into custody and take her to jail for 6 months. Deputy, don't be doing that. Don't be mean with her.
I was just writing down her fines and stuff.
I know you were trying to help her, Deputy. Where
Down
are
the
you
street.
going?
I'm going down the street.
No, you're going down the hall to probation.
Yes, down the hall.
If you don't do that, and if you don't do what I told you to do, then you can go down to the street to the county jail. You don't have yourself in that big of a predicament, but you just keep making it worse with your attitude and your responses. So I'm going to let you go now before you get yourself in any worse trouble. But you better be respectful to the folks in the court services, a lot more respectful than you've been to court.
Understand.